Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have the Tritalian pizza. Alright, first thing we gotta do is I gotta spread some pizza sauce on our dough. The dough is, I simply bought it, the local grocery store, deli sells it. But the pizza sauce, here's the recipe, it's real easy to do. 28 ounces of tomato sauce, basically the bigger can. A tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you think the tomatoes are a little tinny, add a pinch of sugar. And then basically you just want to mix all that up, put it in a crock pot on low for at least 1 hour. And obviously, it's on low in a crock pot, so you can make this in the morning, and then it'll be ready for dinner that night. All right, so we have our dough all sauced. First thing I'm going to do is add some sopra assata chunks. Then I'm going to add a layer of pepperonis. Then I am going to add a nice layer of Italian sausage. And then we're going to add a nice healthy layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to pop this into a 500-degree oven for 10 minutes or until, the edges are golden brown and the cheese is all nice and gooey and done. After 10 minutes, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. And that's the Tritalian. Done.